Here are 5 interesting facts about firstborn children. Responsibility. Firstborn children often tend to have a strong sense of responsibility. They are the trailblazers in their family, taking on the role of setting an example for their younger siblings. This early responsibility can shape their character and work ethic. Leadership qualities. Firstborns often exhibit natural leadership qualities. They may be more comfortable taking charge of group situations, making decisions, and organizing activities. This can be attributed to their early experiences in guiding their younger siblings. High achievers. Research has shown that firstborn children tend to be high achievers academically. They may feel pressure to excel and meet their parents' expectations, leading to a strong focus on their studies and a desire to perform well in school. Attention to rules. Firstborns are often rule followers. They tend to be conscientious and adhere to established rules and guidelines. This trait can make them reliable and disciplined individuals. Independence. Firstborns may develop a strong sense of independence early on. As they were often the first to experience milestones like going to school or being home alone, they tend to become more self-reliant and capable of handling responsibilities on their own. It's important to note that while birth order can influence personality traits, these traits can vary widely among individuals. Factors like parenting styles, family dynamics, and life experiences also play a significant role in shaping a person's character and behavior.